Well, guess what, guys? This is a big announcement today. Yes, I'm so excited about this announcement. It's going to be Gigi's birthday in January the 18th, 2022. Now, we're going to have a big birthday bash. We'd love to have you all join in on this theme. It's going to be a really simple one because Gigi wants to make sure she can get as many as you to join in on it. It's going to be super simple. You can do anything you want. You can have a simple little cozy corner display. You can do a hot cocoa bar or a tea bar or even a wine bar, maybe. A great celebration for her birthday. You can do anything you want. You can do a tiered tray, a centerpiece, a beautiful tablescape. The only thing is it needs to have a birthday theme in it. And her favorite color is red, so something red would be nice also. And she is so sweet, and when she asked me to do something with her, I got so excited. So this is what we're doing. She is the hostess of this challenge, and I'm the co-hostess. She is just awesome. I've been following her for some time, and she's been following me for some time. And you can see she's very supportive of all of my friends also. She joined in with Tea Tuesday this last Tuesday. Sorry, I was sick, so I wasn't there. But she was, and I was so happy to see that she is really branching out. She is just such a wonderful friend. So let's give her some love and support back also and see what we can do for this birthday theme post. Also, she joined in recently with Annette on Winter Wonderland 2. Oh my gosh, she has really been trying hard to join in with so many of my awesome friends. And let's see how many of my awesome friends will join in for the birthday girls theme. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Remember, this is super easy. You can do anything you want. You can even put a cooking video up as long as it has the theme of a birthday. And it's put in the title, hashtag Gigi Happy Birthday. And that is the hashtag. So don't forget to add the hashtag because that's very important for all the videos can go up hopefully together. Don't forget Gigi's birthday coming up on the 18th of January. Hope to see you there. Look at that beautiful smile she always has for all of us. And you can tell she loves the color red. Really, it's her favorite color. And as you see, 2 months ago, she joined in at Alice in Wonderland Mad Hatter Tea Party. Because that's what Grandma likes doing. Oh yeah, Grandma's crazy. Loves that Mad Hatter Tea Party and Alice in Wonderland theme. And as you can see, she joined in on that too 2 months ago. Like I said, she is a great loyal friend. Go over, check out her channel. Also, come and join the birthday bash. It's going to be awesome. If you don't want to join in on actually putting anything up, please stop by and check out the playlist and give your sister creators some love and see what they did. We are so excited about this wonderful birthday bash. Don't forget, it can be anything you want, from a cozy corner to a tablescape. It could even be just a centerpiece or a tiered tray, a DIY, or anything else that you like to do on your channel. You could even make a cooking video and make the recipe in her honor. We don't really care what kind of content you're putting up as long as it has something to do with the birthday party. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for all your love and support you give me. And let's try to give Gigi a lot of love and support for her birthday. She deserves it. She's such a kind creator. And like I said, if you want someone that's going to be giving you lots of love and support back, this is the channel you should be going and checking out. Grandma, I love to support other YouTuber creators, and I love joining in and helping them build their channels bigger and stronger. And don't get me wrong, she's a bigger channel than me, And she is really working hard on her channel just like I do. Well, hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy. And to all my awesome friends, don't forget to come over on January the 18th, 2022, for we can have an awesome birthday bash for my awesome friend Gigi. Love you all. Take care. And don't forget how much we all love you. And don't forget to check the playlist out. Awesome creators are going to be there.